Measuring your appliance's power consumption is the first step toward managing your energy bill. This video will show you how to identify where your energy goes and how to measure it accurately. Conducting an energy audit is essential for finding waste. It helps you identify hidden energy leaks, spot devices known as energy vampires that draw power even when off, and ultimately reduce your energy costs. You can estimate power usage using the device's nameplate. Multiply volts by amps to get watts. Then, multiply watts by the number of hours used and divide by 1,000 to calculate total kilowatt hours. Motors add complexity to the math. While real power in watts represents useful work, some devices draw apparent power, measured in volt-amps. You must multiply apparent power by the power factor to find the true wattage. There are 3 primary levels of measurement: testing plug-in appliances, checking hardwired devices, and monitoring your entire home system. For plug-in appliances, a simple plug-in meter is the most direct tool. You connect the meter to the wall, then plug your appliance into the meter to see real-time wattage and cumulative kilowatt-hour usage. Always test devices for at least 24 hours. Because many appliances cycle on and off, short tests can lead to misleading averages. A full day of testing provides an accurate picture of daily consumption. Smart plugs offer an automated way to monitor usage. These devices connect to your Wi-Fi, allowing you to generate detailed energy reports through an app and even schedule power cycles to save electricity. Important safety note: never use standard plug-in meters or smart plugs for hardwired devices like ovens or showers. These draw high current that can melt standard switches. Always use non-contact measurement methods instead. Clamp meters are perfect for hardwired appliances. They work by detecting the magnetic field created by current flowing through a wire. The meter senses this field and calculates the exact amperage being drawn. When using a clamp meter, you must clamp only one insulated conductor at a time. If you clamp multiple wires, the magnetic fields will cancel each other out, resulting in an inaccurate reading. For whole home monitoring, current transformers or CT clamps are installed in your electrical panel. They measure all incoming power safely and transmit the data to a central dashboard. You can identify your home's baseload by checking your meter at night. Read the meter before going to sleep and again when you wake up. The overnight usage represents your constant base energy consumption. Choosing the right tool depends on your needs. Plug-in meters are affordable and easy for single appliances, clamp meters are necessary for hardwired circuits, and whole home systems provide the most comprehensive data. Remember, you must measure to manage effectively. By understanding the underlying math, selecting the correct tool for the job, and performing accurate 24-hour tests, you can take control of your energy usage.